Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Black Joker, and on this video I'm going to be reading you guys through the Cashmere lab testnet. Okay, in this video I expect you guys to have around an estimated value of funds of $50, okay, for this testnet. Okay, so and by the end of this video we're going to be getting a potential airdrop of around 3k to 2k dollars. Okay, so let's get right to this. So what is Cashmere lab? Okay, this is a protocol for MEV protected cross-chain swap. Okay, what is MEV, you ask? That's the maximal evaluated value. So that just means it's going to give you a swap between a cross-chain at a very low price. Okay, so these guys actually are built on the layer 0. This is actually another estimated airdrop that's going to be massive in the crypto space. Okay, so and recently they were actually mentioned by the Binance chain so as the most valuable builders. So this is actually a very huge potential project when it goes live. So you have the opportunity to test this now while it's on the testnet. So let's get started. The Kiwi browser for this testnet. So if you don't know how to go about this, please refer to my beginner's guide. All will be in the description below. So once you are here guys, you want to actually check on your MetaMask to make sure you are on the base gully. Okay, we're going to be using the base gully, and base gully is actually a testnet for Coinbase. Okay, but that's a story for another day. Okay, so this is my gully, and for this we're going to be seeing how to get the faucet for this base gully. So I'm going to be switching to the Mrs. browser because recently Kiwi browser does not support the Coinbase wallet. Okay, so right here all the links, remember guys, will be in the description. So right here you can actually see that I have my Coinbase wallet extension. Okay, I have it here. So you're going to be needing the Coinbase wallet extension for this video. I'm going to just pause this and put my password for this. Okay, so as you can see here guys, I'm going to zoom in. So you're going to see the base gully faucet requires at least 0.002 Ethereum on mainnet. Okay, remember the keyword here is mainnet. Okay, you're going to be copying this wallet address and you're going to be sending 0.02. I think that's approximately $3. So go back to your Kiwi browser, go to your MetaMask, make sure you've stacked up $50 worth of ETH like I said in the beginning of the video. So click on Ethereum mainnet. Okay, it's going to take you there, and you're going to click on send. Okay, paste the wallet address you copied and you click on 0.002. okay, like I said, this is approximately $3. Okay, you have to have at least a few for your gas fee. So because I've already done this and I won't be needing this, so I'll just exit. So once you send your mainnet ETH to the wallet, you're going to be getting a faucet on your base gully. Okay, I think the base gully is somewhere around here. Okay, so you're going to be getting a faucet. This is my remaining faucet. Okay, so if you're wondering the amount you'll be getting for $3, okay, you can come back to your Kiwi browser and click on testnet faucet. You can see right here it shows that you get a base gully of 0.1 ETH, and I think that would last you for a huge amount of testnets before you need another one. Okay, so that being said, we're going to go to their websites. Okay, which, remember guys, all the links will be on the description below. So don't think whatever I'm doing is from this air or wherever you think. Okay, so right here I'm going to be I'm going to advise you to swap from base gully. Okay, make sure this the first one is on base gully and the second one is on optimizing ETH. Okay, you input the amount you want to swap, and there is no minimum, but then I think you should choose a 0.0056. So click on, like you see, I don't have a sufficient ETH balance. So once you do this, okay, for this video, I think once you click on this, you're going to be seeing a swap. So guys, once the swap is done, okay, once the swap is done, now you're going to be seeing why I chose these two pairs. Okay, we're going to be going through the layer 3. Okay, so this, as you can see guys, each task you fulfill you get a green tick. Okay, this is an introduction. This is to get the testnet native token. Like I've shown you guys, you make a transfer from ETH mainnet. Okay, so this is the cross chain swap, and here they specifically said you should swap from base gully to your optimizing ETH. Okay, so that's this. So the next is for you to mint the Cashmere Zora NFT, link also in the description below. So this is the website for the Zora, and here right again you'll be needing the Ethereum mainnet ETH. Okay, so I hope you'll be having a few left to mint this. Okay, so let's switch. We have switched to the mainnet ETH. Right here is the Zora. So I'm going to refresh so that you guys will see this. So you can read more about Zora NFT here. Okay, and you can see the price right over here. So all you have to do is click on mint. I've already mint. Once you click on mint on Ethereum network, you're going to be seeing this. Okay, and you click on mint. Okay, I think I can mint twice or 3 times, doesn't matter. So but I'm not going to be minting because I already minted this like twice or so. Okay, so you're going to be seeing your gas fee. So the estimated fee for all this is going to be an $11. So if this is too high for you still, you can click on the market and try to go to low. Okay, once you go to low, it reduces to like $10, or you can go to aggressive. I don't know, I'm not actually used this before, so I suggest you use either the market or the low. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to mint your NFT on the Zora chain. Okay, once that is done, I suggest you do the other tax, but then I'm going to take you through the guild tax. This guild tax right here, you're going to connect your wallet, the wallet you used for this testnet on the guild, and you're going to wait for it a bit. And okay, you can see all this. So I'm going to show you this. I'm a member of their Discord. First of all, you have to join the Discord. I'm following them on the socials and lots of other tags. So to join the goat brotherhood, I think you have to copy this goat emoji. And if you don't follow me on Twitter, please try your best to follow me on Twitter. I do drop alphas. Okay, so you go to edit your profile, and on your username you're going to input this goat emoji. Okay, so then you're going to come back here, and I think you have to refresh this to actually get the row. So once this is done, you're going to be getting all these rows right here. Okay, I'm going to be getting all these roles. Okay, you can do this on your own leisure time. This is taking a bit of time. Okay, as you can see, I've gotten all the tags. I just got the Goat Brotherhood. That's really a funny name. But then I'm done with all the tags. So for more, you can actually refer to these. You can actually refer to the description. I also have a Galaxy task imputed for you guys. So please try your best to make the best of this video and take care of yourself. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you guys next time, and probably when we have made a lot of money from this airdrop tax that we just did. See you guys next time and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.